guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Angelique. So today I'm coming to you with yet another new unit. This one is going to be from the Sensational Curls and Kinks collection. It's from their Kinky Edges line. It's in the style Kinky Bob 14" and it's in the color number 2. So here's what the stock card part is looking like. And of course, because this is a Kinky Edges wig, it is going to come with those 3B to 4C edges, and it is going to be heat safe up to 400 degrees. This one is going to be available in 7 special colors. So as far as the cap construction on this one, like I said, you are going to get these wonderful kinky edges, you guys. This one is going to be pre-plucked. So you are going to get that 13x6 HD lace parting space, and you're going to get 2 combs that are right in the front next to that parting space. And then you're going to get an adjustable elastic band in the back, as well as a comb in the back and your adjustable straps. And this one was made on a mesh wig cap. There doesn't seem to be a crazy amount of stretch with this one, but so far so good in my opinion. So first I'm just going to go ahead and tint this lace. I'm going in with my Even Lace Tint Spray in the color medium dark brown. And then I'm just going to spritz this along the inside of the lace. So that's what it's looking like. And after I've tinted that lace, I'm just going to slap this on the wig head and show you guys what she's looking like. Look at the body. You guys, you see the texture is texturing, honey. Honestly, I feel like 2024 Sensational, this line is absolutely doing it for me. This line is everything, you guys. Now here's a close-up just so you can see. Look at this hairline. Yes, honey. No plucking is needed. It's already coming up. Very natural. I'm so excited to get into this one, you guys. So first, I'm just going to go in and start cutting that lace off. I'm going to go in with my embroidering scissors and just start cutting that lace into smaller sections so that when I go in with my pinking shears, it just makes it a little bit easier to work around cutting off the lace so that I can get up and close cutting off that hairline. And then after I've cut the lace into those smaller sections, I'm just going to go in with my serrated pinking shears and start cutting off the rest of that lace. Now, since these are the serrated pinking shears, you're going to notice that this is going to have a zigzag pattern. Like I've showed you guys in the past, I typically will go in with either these serrated pinking shears or my scalloped pinking shears. In my opinion, I feel like the blend for both of them works out pretty well, so it's all just based on how I'm feeling that day. Sometimes I feel like going in with a wavy cutting pattern. Sometimes I feel like going in with a zigzag pattern. Honestly, I don't really have a preference one way or another. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like after I've cut the lace off. And now I'm just going to go in and start installing this on my head. And y'all, you are going to be happy to know, especially with the summer coming, honey, this was a glueless install. They do list this as a glueless unit, and I can absolutely attest to the fact that yes, it is glueless. I did go in and adjust the adjustable straps as tight as they can go. I adjusted the adjustable elastic band just a tad bit, and it's fitting on my head perfectly, so I knew for sure, even with just plopping this on my head, that the fit was doing what I felt it should be doing, and I knew I was going to be able to get away with wearing it glueless. As you can see right here, nothing is laid down. This is plopped on my head, so you can absolutely tell straight off the bat I'm definitely going to be doing this as a glueless install. So as far as the cap size on this one, I'm definitely going to say this is for sure small and medium head friendly. I think if you have a larger size head, you should be pretty good to get away with wearing this one. Like I told you guys, I did go in and adjust the adjustable elastic straps as well as that adjustable elastic band a bit, and it's fitting my head perfectly. So I think if you do have a larger size head, you can just go ahead and leave the adjustable straps as they come, and you should be fine with this one. So this is my first time using this product. I'm just gonna go in with my Ebin Mousse Lace Tint, and it's in the color medium dark brown. So what I'm doing is just applying that around the perimeter to get those baby hairs into the hairline. And one thing to note when it comes to this product, you guys, even though it does do a good job at making that lace blend in with the color of your skin, it is kind of staining. It's not going to make your hands permanently brown, but this is definitely a product you're probably going to want to have a napkin nearby or some water. So I ended up washing my hands off after, just because, like I said, it was kind of staining my hand. The consistency and everything of it did feel just like regular foaming mousse, so nothing to talk about there. And I do like the fact that it was the brown color, so it helps with blending the lace. So now I'm just gonna go in with my The Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's in the color Yoda and just start applying that around the perimeter of my lace, just so I can get that blend in. And now I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer brush, and I'm on the lowest heat setting just because I want to get that hair flattened down. I want to make sure that those baby hairs are in the hairline, and I just wanted to use an alternative to a hot comb, especially because I really wanted to keep the texture of this unit. And I really like how it turns out, just because, like I said, it does a better job at not taking away from the texture of the unit. So I absolutely would recommend that, especially if you're trying to get rid of humpiness but you still want to keep the texture intact. As you guys can see, this one is absolutely yucky. The body of it is beautiful. The density on it is at least 150% and maybe about 180%. So if you're not somebody who likes full hair, this one may not necessarily be for you. But I just really like the way that they were able to get this look to look very natural, very realistic. This is giving me the vibes of if my natural hair was cut and kind of blown out. So I am absolutely here for it, you guys. The quality of the hair is really pretty. Like it says on the stock card, it's 14 inches. This is definitely gonna be a summer approved. Like I said, it's a little bit heavy, so you may be dealing with a little bit of sweating and stuff like that, but it's very lightweight on my head. I feel like the look of it is really nice. The quality of the hair itself is really nice. The texture is beautiful, you guys. Honestly, when it comes to the Kinky Edges collection, sensational. I literally have no complaints. You guys know what you've been doing. I don't know if you changed around the people on your marketing team. I don't know if you done hired some people from the culture to work with you, but honey, you know what you're doing when it comes to this collection. I need you to just keep coming with it, honey, because every single one I've tried, I have not been disappointed at all. So now, as always, I'm just gonna go in and start showing you guys some different styling options. Maybe a little bit more difficult because, like I said, this is a 14-inch unit, so it's a little bit harder to get different styles going, but I did want to show you guys the versatility because, like I said, it is a 13x6 unit. So I just wanted to take advantage of all that parting space and give you guys some versatility. So when it comes to my cons and pros on this unit, like I said, you guys, I can't say that I have any cons. I have tried so many units from this collection and there literally is not one negative that I have to say when it comes to them. Honestly, even when it comes to this collection overall, I feel like in comparison to other units that I've tried, it's been a long time since I've been able to find a collection where I had like a sustainable everyday wig, and I can say Sensational absolutely has done that for me. It definitely has stepped up their game when it comes to the quality of their units from this collection, when it comes to just the way that the baby hairs are constructed, when it comes to being able to make the look natural, when it comes to being glueless. They are literally checking all of the boxes, you guys. I am shocked because I never thought in a million years I'd be giving Sensational as many props as I am. Like, I am always and forever an Outre girl, so I'm really shocked that Sensational is the one that's making me feel this type of way about their hair. Like, where are we, Outre? I'm still waiting, because you know you're my girl, but like, Outre. So yeah, you guys, I have literally no cons when it comes to this unit. I have no cons when it comes to the collection as a whole. I am super impressed. When it comes to my pros on this unit, honey, the hairline, yes. The baby hairs, those kinky edges, you guys. Yes, the fact that I was able to wear it glueless, the quality of the hair overall, y'all. They are nailing this. They are nailing it. The density, the look of it, girl. I really can't say enough positive things, honestly. The fact that I was able to easily switch from style to style. Like, this is my hair and you can't tell me otherwise. Like, look at it. So I feel like if you may be on the fence when it comes to any of the units from this Sensational Curls and Kinks collection, honey, the Kinky Edges collection, go and get yourself one of these wigs and try it out for yourself, because I'm telling you, it's been a very long time since anything related to Sensational I had no cons with. So you know I'm the first one to come for Sensational's next, and this has been like the first time in a long time that I've been like giving Sensational the props it deserve, just because I really feel like they must have listened to us when it comes to this, or they must have got somebody on the team that knows what it is we're looking for, because these units are just hidden. They're just hitting the way that they should be hitting. They're just checking all of the boxes. Like, these units have just been everything and more that I could dream of when I'm looking for a wig. Definitely gonna be beginner friendly. Look at this. You can wear this every day. You can go to your corporate job. You can go out with the girls. You can go to brunch. Like, girl, it's just cute. It's just really cute. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit, you guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.